Hello, Guard here, and this is the original sink cover in our PleasureWay. We have an XLTS, it's a 2018 model, and this goes over the sink when you're not using a sink to give you more counter space. And some people use it as a cutting board, but it's too pretty to put a knife on it, I thought. So I took it over to my son's house, and he went ahead and took some, he's a woodworker, he likes messing with wood, so he got some I think it's red oak, he said. This is actually a couple of pieces that he's put together with some joints and stuff in here. I forget what you call them. Finger joints.
Biscuits.
Biscuits. They're biscuits, yeah. Okay. And this is what the wood looked like when he gave it to me. But this is how it's starting to look now, because I just started rubbing some Butcher Block conditioner on it. I bought this at Home Depot last night, and that's how much I use on it so far. I soaked it in really good, one coat so far, and it kind of brought out the grain. It looks really nice right now. I need to do like 3 or 4 coats, they said, initially to season it as a cutting board. So now I have extra counter space when it's above the sink and a cutting board, and I can also take it off and use the sink. But I think it looks a lot nicer, and it's thicker too. So it's going to be strong, but it will stick up because the original panel, you can see it's quite a bit thicker. There's actually one of those joints right there too. But there it is. This is our new sink cover cutting board.
And good thing it's food grade oil,
Yes.
of course, because Spike likes the taste of it.
Yeah, it's definitely food grade. And there's Spike checking out. He's, oh, that tastes like good wax or something. But this right here is made with food grade mineral oil. Hey, Spike, what you doing? You like that stuff? Yeah. And let's see, what's it got in it? Anyway, it's food grade mineral oil stabilized with vitamin E, beeswax, and carnauba wax. So there it is, and it's starting to look pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye.